Today we're gonna try matcha and give an honest opinion about matcha.
हम मचाने जा रहे हैं।
इसके साथ क्या हो गया है?
कोई अब matcha पिलाने लेके आता तो ये।
No, I think he should go first. Our next episode we're gonna try matcha butter chicken. अब हम अपने पाप धोएंगे। इसको matcha ने हिला दिया है।
खाने के पैसे नहीं है। ये बम्बई शहर में मैं कैसे जी रहा हूँ मुझे ही पता है। Happy birthday.
Somebody do it like me. I'ma turn it all the way up, cause it kamikaze. Go ahead and try, baby, you are gonna see that you'll never ever find somebody do it like me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Listen, I should be appreciated that I've been so regular with my YouTube. I'm learning and I'm growing. I am learning better angles. Like I feel this is a better angle than all the other angles I used to do. For a change, I'm also well dressed. Yeah, I wish I could show you my dress. I'm looking bomb. Okay, anyways, I'm going to Bandra right now with my friends, and today we're gonna try matcha and give an honest opinion about matcha. Like, this opinion is coming from a hardcore coffee girl, and the other people with me are also coffee people, and one of them is the one who introduced me to fresh roast. Otherwise I was a basic bitch instant coffee person. Anyways, we are going to Bandra. We're gonna try matcha today, give you an honest opinion. A lot of people have been telling me that, you know, if you don't drink matcha from the right place, it can go wrong, and I think a lot of people suggested me that Bougie is the right place to have matcha, so let's see. But before that, I'm gonna pick my friend, and then from there I'm gonna go to Tidal Waves. I'm gonna go and read Harry Potter for a while, till then my another friend will get free and blah 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 blah. So yes, welcome back to my channel. I've been regular, you should appreciate me. Some claps हो जाए. अगर एडिटर ने यहाँ पे क्लैप्स डाली मेरा पोपट हो जाएगा. Anyways, let's go. Give me content.
हम matcha पीने जा रहे हैं। Nobody in the groups like matcha, just FYI. हम मचाने जा रहे हैं।
ये बाद में बोलना था। ये मेरा vlog 2 मिनट में खत्म हो गया।
हम matcha मचाने जा रहे हैं।
I made Khatri do a very girly thing. Have you done this before?
What?
Sat in a cafe and had like your own time.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I thought he hasn't. Damn! It's like he has. We sat in a cafe, I read my Harry Potter, and now we're heading to have matcha. Yeah, that's it. Look, have you ever tried matcha before?
No.
Yes, you haven't, right?
I've never tried matcha.
The Khatri was like, you hate matcha.
I've never tried it only. But from what I've heard, it's a little, I don't know what to expect. It's also green. I love green. It works in my favor, but we'll see.
इसके साथ क्या हो गया है?
कोई अब matcha पिलाने लेके आता तो ये।
You are on camera.
Can you just give me some content?
It's not gonna be creepy, right? If you go up to a woman and be like, "Biji kya kha rahe ho?" But I'm not hitting her. I'm just like, "Excuse me, what are you having?"
इतनी देर से ये तेरी आवाज पकड़ रहा होगा. Please थोड़े वो बकवास.
आवाज पकड़ रहा है। हाँ जी क्या खा रहे हो? Excuse me, squeeze me. Now that's creepy. I go up to him like, squeeze me. Depends on what. There is no world where squeeze me will pass off. Guys, if you're listening out there, if you want to get immediately cancelled, just go to a woman or a man. Hey, you could be, your preference could be anything, and just say, squeeze me.
I have no words sometimes. My friends are sensible people, I promise. ये सब ऐसे ही दिमाग है.
अरे वो भाई से पूछते हैं यार वो सर्वर जो है उनका पागल हो गया. Sorry guys, wrong day.
What matcha are you picking?
Nice mango matcha. Maybe the mango.
Maybe so many people.
Yeah, like that's why. Hi. Yeah.
This one. It's a cake.
French toast.
French toast.
French toast कैसे ही होता है?
Almost looking like a banana bread with tiramisu layer on the top.
You want to try? Yeah. Okay. Okay. We'll have one. That.
Tiramisu, right?
Yeah.
I mean, options of the French toast we have. Whatever they are having. Please, एक second रुको.
Do you like but like yeah. One for now.
Bye.
A few moments later.
So, अच्छे से कर यार. Who wants to go first? No, I think he should go first.
I've tried some questionable things in my life. I have tried a pakoda with mango. I've tried jalebi with ketchup. And this still is the worst thing I've tried so far.
Yeah.
You have the mango and then when the matcha hits, it just...
Grass.
I don't know if it's puke after I puke or if it's puke before I puke. Take a big gulp.
Why would I take a big Yeah, the mango hits first.
Mango hits, and when the matcha hits, you're like, is this my mouth before I have puke? Or is this my mouth after I have puke?
I tried. And mango's not saving it. Handu, it's your turn. I can't wait. I can't wait.
I'm a matcha hater, just saying. But I'm still trying because...
Bruh.
I think Lipton green tea is better than this. Would you try? Please. You want my... For me? Please?
You can't.
Please. Yes.
इसने सिर्फ मैंगो लिया नहीं उन्होंने सिर्फ मैंगो टेस्ट किया पूरा मोटा सिर्फ मैंगो आया जेन्युइनली बोल ऊपर से लो नीचे से पूरा मोटा से पूरा ले मोटा यार सिर्फ बड़ा ले यार
गंदी बातें कर रहे हो तुम लोग अब
ठीक है यार मुझे प्यूक नहीं लगा
That's because you're not a coffee person.
I think mango is saving it. You know the fact is when you drink something and your response is that मुझे प्यूक नहीं लगा that itself means that the drink shouldn't fucking exist. No one mango is saving it but
Unpopular opinion. I don't know why people are just like...
it is not an unpopular opinion is actually like
Please use a mic before you're talking anything because give me content. It's
unpopular opinion is you like matcha. The popular opinion is matcha sucks.
yuck. People who like matcha, I have like big question marks on your taste.
People who like matcha need to go to therapy. बचपन में तुमने देखा ना पॉन्ड होता है घर के पास के ऊपर वो ग्रीन ग्रीन algae बन जाता है and you're always wondering what that algae tastes like. This is what that algae tastes like. You ever wonder what he loves algae. Well, I hate myself. I like being in pain.
Okay, the thing is, we are like coffee people, hardcore coffee people. She's the one who introduced me to like fresh brew and everything, and like genuinely appreciate coffee. And we are not one of those trend mein aage coffee pee li. We know our coffee, like we know what are we drinking, what blend and everything.
Also, we are people who like to experiment with our food. We are not stuck up.
Yeah.
Something that's genuinely nice and new, we appreciate it. There's nothing.
But this is very difficult to appreciate. My ex situationship tasted better than this.
No, yeah. You can't do much. It looks very nice. Again, like I love green, the color is beautiful, the process is very fancy. But maybe I'll learn to make it and make other people. Not you.
You just want to learn it because the process is
Yeah,
nice.
it's fancy and all that. But like it's kaise peete hai isko log?
On next episode, we're gonna try matcha butter chicken.
और ऐसे पाप के लिए there is no forgiveness for this crime.
अब हम अपने पाप धोएंगे. Have it and we'll. क्या गंदा एंगल लिया मैंने इसका मार देगा मुझे व्लॉग दिखेगा.
क्या बहुत ऑर्डर किया है टेस्ट ही नहीं है भाई ना तिरामिसू का ना पंच केक का दोनों डिश की मार हो गई है
Palate cleanser है.
की स्टोरी देख के तो मार लग रही थी.
समझ नहीं आ रहा. It is that as she said it is bread dipped in coffee.
ये मैं घर पे बना लूंगी अपने आप.
मैं घर पे बनाऊंगा ये तुझे लग भाई मैं फ्रेंच टोस्ट बनाऊंगा प्रॉपर
इसको माचा ने हिला दिया है.
So Chirag, what's the problem? Sir, बकचोदी नहीं रुकी.
Okay, so if you happen to taste matcha in Japan, will you do that?
Yeah. Yeah, because the mind is curious. I just want to know why they even made it.
Now we have come to Bombay Salad and we are saving ourselves because what we ate right now and drank.
बॉम्बे सैलेड के अभी मेन्यू पे आएगी ये साल.
माचा पीने वाले को जज नहीं करते.
ड्रेसिंग में थोड़ा सा और 1 चम्मच ऑरेंज जूस. ओए ओए भाई.
I'm gonna try this. Whatever they made, so many mushrooms.
ये जो उसका कि ग्रुप पे पूछा है मुझे लगा ही था कि अमन यही रिप्लाई करेगा.
It's actually not bad. What are we doing?
We are going to Subco because Khatri wants to try dessert.
वो सिर्फ 250 मीटर दूर है, पैदल जा सकते हैं.
सबको 250 की अभी नहीं होगा.
अब हम ये खाएंगे.
मैं मैंगो मलाई टोस्ट खा रहा हूँ. तुम मैंगो हॉट चीज टोस्ट खा रहे हो.
That's what's up.
के पैसे नहीं है. ये बम्बई शहर में मैं कैसे जी रहा हूँ मुझे ही पता है.
And we thought we have just 2 actors in the group. Now we are at 3rd place, our favorite place. That looks so nice.
It looks better in the photos.
Yeah.
Than in person.
And we are eating again. Look.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
भाई चॉकलेट की साइज में रख दिया यार.
अभी तभी तो काट दो.
Look at how happy she is.
I'm just happy being
भाई उठा के बाइक ले ले. अरे पूरा सब निकल रहा है तो उठा के बाइक ले.
Oh my god.
पागल हो गई चौकी.
This is turning me on.
अरे बहुत
contrast.
bitter or tart.
There needs to be some contrast to the sweet.
Me and Lopu tried making smart decisions. It's almost 9. We're not having coffee. Are we sad? It's like chocolate heaven for Lopu. Hi. What do you want?
But I can't understand because it is dark roast.
Yeah.
Medium dark. Could be or.
Do you need it or you want it?
I don't need it at all.
Exactly. I'm trying very late infused white chocolate cashew.
It's weird.
Very, very weird. We are back home and a lot of people ask me, I'm sorry. When we sit in, like, you know, we were strategizing our content, the people were like, why can't you make content with your friends? It's because me and my friends aren't that kind of people, like, right? Our life is not really about content because my friends are very private people. Not everything about them is on internet, right? So it becomes little aisa that I'm the only one who's always shooting and recording and everything, because they aren't like that, you know what I mean? Like they are really them around me, and like we all are like our true selves, and that's not something internet is really ready to watch because we're unfiltered, right? Everybody has their own inside jokes and all, and they are inside because you don't want them outside, right? So yeah, so we did a lot of things, but I couldn't record everything because we were having so much fun. When I'm with them, I have so much fun that I don't pick my phone, and that's a sign of me having fun, and that's a sign of you calculating, do you have true friends? Because if you were with them and you don't have to pick your phone and you're truly having fun, means you have true friends and you can speak anything and everything, which, you know, if goes on internet can be, what do you call, controversial. बोलते बोलते भूल क्यों जाते हैं सब कुछ, controversial. So yeah, I love my friends. I'm making this ending of the vlog, but in case I feel the footage is not enough for one vlog, we will not use it. But if the footage is enough for one vlog, Hey guys, thank you for watching this vlog. Please do not have matcha. Matcha is shit. But even if you like matcha, it's okay yaar. To each on its own. Because to each. क्या थी यार मैं भूल गई मैं बोलते बोलते बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाती हूँ. But even if you like matcha, I don't like you because matcha is घास. I don't know why people are over hyping घास. घास is घास. मत पियो यार matcha. क्या matcha तुम लोगों को आप लोगों को पता भी नहीं है matcha क्या होती है. You just like having it because तुम लोगों को FOMO हो रहा है. You don't even like the taste. You're just like everybody's having matcha, so I like my matcha. I like it in the morning. I would want to make my matcha. No, nobody likes matcha. Even the Japanese people who make, I think it's from Japan if I'm not wrong. They don't like matcha. They're also confused why the fuck they made matcha. So yeah, don't stop pretending to like matcha. You don't like matcha. Or at least I don't like matcha. Bye. And you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe.